Okay, so we know the syntax of saying statement, that is in variable name, or so in we can say v1, v2 up to vn. Okay, so this is the syntax. Fine. So when we have discussed examples with respect to these forms, general forms, so we know that we have used the statement same with extraction operator and variable, or if we have more variables, okay, if we want to give values for more variables, we can use this. But here, so one drawback is this extraction operator. So whatever we call, so this will not accept the blank space. If I want to store blank space in the computer memory, because blank space is also a character. Okay, so this extraction operator will skip the blank space. So only when I set about the output. Okay, so if you are entering two values, so it can enter in two ways. That is, if you want to enter two values like 10 and 20, so you can say 10 space 20 or 10 enter key 20. So that means, so when you enter the first value 10, so this is taken as first input, okay, and afterwards if you press space bar, actually if you press space bar, that is also a character, okay, but that character is not taken as an input. Okay, this concept you have to understand. So 10 is taken as an input. So blank space, whatever you type, it is not taken as an input, and 20 is taken as second input. Okay. Or if you enter the input values in this way, so 10 enter key and 20. Okay, in this case also, so 10 is taken as first input, and when you press enter key, so that enter key is not considered as an input. Okay, so next 20 is taken as second input. So from this, what we can understand is, say whenever we input the values, that is more than one value, either you can say 10 space 20 or 10 enter key and then 20. Okay. Now, if I want to store this blank space in computer memory, okay, that is possible, because if you type space bar or if you type enter key in this case, both are characters only. So whatever it is present on the keyboard, all are characters. So in this case, so if I want to store blank space in computer memory, then so we need to make use of get function, so which is present in C++ software. Okay, by using get function, we can store the blank space in the computer memory. So that we will discuss now. Okay, before we go to the get function, let us try to understand how the blank space is skipped and how the values are stored. Okay. So now consider the variable declarations, say char, that is type character. So let us take two variables, C1 and C2, okay, of type character. Then we take one more variable, say A, of type integer. Okay. So C1 and C2 are the variables of type character. A is the variable of type integer. So that means in C1 and C2 you have to store the character value. So that is a character in the sense you can store either a digit or a symbol or capital letters or small letters. Okay. And whereas in variable A you should store an integer value. Okay. Now let us consider the statement Cin extraction operator, C1 extraction operator, C2 again one more extraction operator, variable A. Fine. So C1 extraction operators, C in console input, extraction operator C1, extraction operator C2, extraction operator A. Okay. So this we can consider it as input statement in a program. Okay. We are not writing complete program, just part of the programs I am writing. Okay. If you consider the complete program, so what I have written? I have written the declaration statement. Okay. So this is declaration statement. Then, so this is input statement. We have considered two things. Okay. So declaration statement and input statement. So for every statement, we will be having some name, okay, some term. So this this particular statement is called as declaration statement, okay, and this is called as input statement. Fine. So now let us consider after executing this sequence of statements. After executing this sequence of statements, so when we look at the console screen, so let us assume these statements we have written in a program and we have executed the program. So declaration statement and this input statement. So when we have discussed about Cin statement, so you just understand this concept. Cin refers to console input. Okay. So often I will be telling these words because how to understand it. Okay. Console input. Console in the sense, as you know, like it is an output. Okay. I said there are two types of output: console input and console output and window output. Okay. Console output, window output. Now we consider console output. Console output means where you come across a black screen when you execute the program. And one more thing here, black color is not fixed one, because if you go for some other editors, there you may see white color also. Okay, just for your understanding, it should come into your mind. Okay. So let us consider this is the console. Now, when this particular statement is executed, say cursor will start blinking. So whenever Cin statement is executed, cursor starts blinking. Okay, on the console screen, on the black screen. Okay. Now, so you have to enter the value. So if you want to enter the value, you have to look at the variable and its type. Okay. So how many variables you have used in the Cin statement, and what are the data types of those variables? Two things you have to see. How many variables you are using in the Cin statement, and what are the data types associated with that Cin statement. Okay. So here I am using three variables: C1, C2, and A. And for C1 and C2, I have used the data type as character. Fine. And for variable A, I have used integer. Okay. For C1 and C2, I have used the data type character. For variable A, I have used integer. Now in the console, I have to type totally three values. Fine. Whereas first two values of type character, next value of type integer. Okay. Now if suppose if I type the values like, say, for first case I will type A, letter A. Okay. Then I will leave one blank space. Then I say like 23. Okay. If you look at this output, it is like that we have typed only two values, right? A blank space 23. Because what I said, we want to separate between the input values, you have to type at least one space, one blank space, or press enter key. Okay. Okay, so A space 23. Okay, now look here. We can consider this letter A as character because only one character I have typed. Okay, then even this blank space also one character. Understand this concept because the character meaning either it can be a letter or a digit or a symbol. That means all the categories of keyboard. Either it can be a letter or a digit or a symbol. So blank space means it is one symbol. In the computer memory, it has got some value. Okay. And this 23 as an integer. Okay. So A is a character, blank space is also a character, 23 is integer value. So I can say integer. So in this case, what happens? Like in case of Cin statement and extraction operator, so understand this concept. In case of Cin statement and extraction operator, blank space is not considered as input. Okay. So blank space is not considered as input. Remember this point. In case of cin statement and extraction operator, blank space is not considered as input. That means it is not stored in the computer memory. And even the enter key. Okay, if you press enter key, so this is also not considered as input in case of cin statement with extraction operator. So in this case, what happens? See here. So A is taken as first input. Okay. Blank space is skipped. Understand this concept. Blank space is skipped. A is taken as first input. Blank space is skipped. Then see in integer 23, what happens here? This 2 is considered as second input. 3 is considered as third input. 2 is considered as second input, 3 is considered as third input, because if you look at the cin statement, we have 3 variables. So we have 3 variables, but I have given 2 values, that is A and 23. Getting it? Getting this point? So we have 3 variables and we are giving only 2 values, A and 23. So in this case, what happens? A will be considered as first input, blank space is skipped, it is not considered as input value. In case of 23, 2 will be considered as second input, 3 will be considered as third input. So if it happens like this, then I'll tell you what values are stored in which variables. Okay. So A will be stored in C1, variable C1. A will be stored in variable C1. 2 is stored in C2 because 2 will be considered as second input plus it is considered as one single character. Okay, 2 is considered as one single character. Fine. Then 3 will be considered as third input. So integer 3 will be stored in A, variable A. Google got it. So if you look at the cin statement, after extraction operator, first variable is C1, which is of type character. Second variable is C2, that is also of type character. Third variable is A, it is of type integer. So in this case, A will be considered as character, that is the first input. Blank space will be skipped. 2 will be considered as second input, that is character. So here you can say this is C1 and C2. 3 will be considered as third input, which is stored in variable A. Okay. So A will be stored in C1, blank space is not considered, 2 will be stored in C2, okay, then 3 will be stored in variable A, because 2 is considered as one character in this case, okay. Now, next thing is, if I want to consider this blank space also, I want to store this blank space in one variable, then we can do by using get function, okay, because in this case blank space is kept, right? So I want to store the blank space in one variable. So if we want to do that, then we have to use get function. So that we will discuss. Okay. We got it. Once again, I will tell you. So whenever you consider the declaration statement and input statement, and when you give the input values in the console screen, you have to see 2 things: the variables what you have used in cin statement, that is number of variables, then data type associated with those variables. So in this case, we have used C1, C2 and A variables, 3 variables, and data types are like for C1 and C2, data type is character. For variable A, the data type is integer. So in this case, when we give the input sequence in this way, A space 23, A will be stored in variable C1, blank space will be skipped. In digit, in integer 23, 2 will be stored in C2. Okay, that is considered single character, and the remaining thing 3 will be stored in variable A, which is considered as integer. So in case of 23, 2 will be considered as character, 3 will be considered as integer, which is stored in variable A. Okay. Now, if I want to store this blank space, then I need to use get function. So that we will discuss. Okay. So here, if we consider the same input sequence, that is from the console, okay, A space 23, with the same variables C1, C2, and A. For C1 and C2, will consider it as character. A we can consider it as integer data type. Okay. So I've given A space 23. Now, so how we want the values to be stored in variables is like A should be stored in C1. Blank space should also be considered. So blank space should be stored in C2. Remaining thing 23. So 23 should be stored in variable A. So in this way, I need to store. Understood? A should be stored in C1 because it is a character. Blank space is also a character. Blank space should be stored in C2. It should not be skipped. It should be considered. Okay. Then 23 should be stored in variable A. Now I want to achieve this. For this, we need get function. Okay. So syntax to use get function is scene get of variable. This is the syntax. Scene dot get of variable. Get is a function name, and here variable, where this variable should be of type character, because variables will be always associated with the data type, right? This variable should be of type character. Okay. And one more thing, when you write the keywords, be careful that you have to write in lowercase letters. Many have written in the test with uppercase letters. For that, I have not given marks. Okay. You have to write the keywords in small letters only, compulsory it is. So you have written mentioned 4 keywords. You have written like auto, ASN, like this. There you have written A capital letter and break. Not given marks for that. Okay, you have to write in lowercase letters compulsory. You should make it as a habit to write the keywords in lowercase letters. Fine. Okay. So here CHR is a keyword plus it is a data. Now let us see how to use this. Fine. So see, in the previous example, what I have done is scene extraction operator C1, extraction operator C2, extraction operator A. Fine. So this was the statement in the previous example. Now the same statement I will write in different way. That is scene dot get of C1. So I am not using extraction operator here. You observe. Scene dot get of C1. I am not using the extraction operator because extraction operator will not consider the blank space. For that purpose, I am not using extraction operator. Right? So I am using scene dot get of C1. Next, for C2 also, scene dot get of C2. Fine. So for 2 variables, that is C1 and C2, which are of type character, I am using cin dot get of C1, cin dot get of C2. For A, we can use extraction because in variable A, I am storing integer value. So I am not storing character value, I am storing integer value. So you can use extraction operator. So whenever you are storing character value, then you see that whether to use extraction operator or get function. Understood? So when you store character values, you see that depending on the requirement, whether you need to use extraction operator or get function. If you don't want blank space to be stored, then use extraction operator. If you want to consider blank space also, then use get function. Okay. And in arrays chapter, we come across storing many characters in one single variable. That concept is called as array. Okay, array means collection of elements. In that case, we make use of extraction operator because we are trying to store more characters. And in that case also, if you don't want to consider blank space, then we will use extraction operator. If I want to consider blank space, then we will make use of get function. Okay, fine. No, we cannot write because you look at the syntax. Scene dot get of variable. See here, depending on the syntax, you have to write the example. If it is variable 1 comma variable 2 up to variable n, then you can use C1 comma C2 up to Cn. Okay, here according to syntax, it is scene dot get of variable. Only one variable we need to use. Okay. So now, if we consider this as the input, say I write in this format. Okay, that is C. Okay. After letter A, one blank space. Then afterwards, digit 2, then digit 3. So in this case, what happens? You consider this input statements. Cin dot get of C1, Cin dot get of C2, Cin extraction operator A. Now this is the output. Output in the sense in the console we have given the values in this way. Okay, now here A will be stored in C1. Okay, blank space will be stored in C2. If A is considered as first input and blank space as second input, remaining thing 23 will be considered as third input. Total number 23 will be considered as third input. So 23 will be stored in variable A. Okay. Or people got this concept. Okay. So once again I will tell you, in case of extraction operator, blank space is not considered as an input. In the sense, it is not stored in memory. Okay. If it is not stored in memory, then it is not stored in variable also, because variable and memory is linked. Now, one of you have written the answer. Variable is a name given to the memory. That is correct. In case of variable definition, you can write either anyone. Variable is a quantity which can change its value, or variable is an identifier which stores a value, or variable is a name given to the computer memory location where the value is stored. You can write anything. But if you want to understand with respect to program, then you consider the third definition, that is variable is a name given to the computer memory location. Now, if I tell it is not stored in memory, so if it is not stored in memory means memory is nothing but variable. Because for memory location only we will give the variable name. So variable name is linked to the memory name. Okay. So if it is not stored in memory means you have to consider that it is not stored in variable. If it is not stored in variable, then we should say that blank space is not stored in C2. Okay, in case of extraction operator. In case of get function, if I tell blank space is also considered. So blank space is also considered means blank space is stored in memory. If it is stored in memory, memory is nothing but a variable. That means blank space is stored in variable C2. Okay. Then remaining in 23. So that is whole number complete. 23 is stored in variable A because it is of type integer. Okay. Okay. Okay, we'll try to execute one or two programs. We'll share the screen. Okay, fine. So just look at the screen. So I'll type the program. Let us consider the program where we read the. Just a minute. Okay, so let us consider the program where we read the character value because we will understand it. Okay. So after writing the program, just you save it. Okay. Don't touch this mobile screen. See, we cannot implement practically if you write something on this screen. Okay, so we'll execute this program. Fine. So when you compile, you have to get warnings and errors as 0. Okay, then you can execute the program. Say Control F9. So you can use the keys Control F9, or you can go to the Run menu and click on Run option. Okay. See, you look at the output. It is telling us to enter the character. So when you want to enter a character, you can enter either capital letters or small letters or digits or symbols. Okay. See, for example, if I enter dollar, dollar is a character. So the character is dollar. Okay. So if you enter capital letter, so it will display the same thing. Or if you enter small letter, it is displaying same thing. Or if you enter any digit, say 7, it will display. That means characters means all things are accepted, like a symbol or a digit or a letter. Okay, all the three things are accepted. But if I type two characters, what happens? You will see. Okay, we say 123. Okay, so in this case, see, I have typed 123. So you have typed three characters here. So it is not read as 123 as one whole number. It will read like 1, 2, and 3. Three separate characters, because we are reading a character. Okay. So in this case, only one character is accepted. See, only one is stored. Okay. 2 and 3 are not considered as input. Fine. So one more time I will execute. Even if you type three letters also, it is read as only one letter. Okay. Now, what we have discussed theoretically, so we'll consider this C1, C2, and then int A. Okay. So just I say enter the values. Fine. See, three variables have used. C2 A. Okay. So I will display all the things. Okay. So C1, C2, A. Okay. Look here, if I type A space 23, okay. So A will be stored in C1, blank space will be skipped. When 2 is stored in C2, 3 will be stored in integer. Look here, A, 2, 3. So A in C1, 2 in C2, 3 in A. Okay. So if I use scene dot get, so just I will execute that program and I will stop. Okay. Scene dot get of C1. Okay. Then scene dot get of C2. Okay. Then scene. So in this way we have to use. Okay, here semicolon is missing. So in this way you have to use the get function, right? Same thing if I enter. See, look here. So A is stored in C1. See, that blank space means it is stored in C2. 23 is stored in variable A. Okay. Okay, fine. We will continue in the next class with some more programs. Okay. \T is horizontal tab. So I will explain in theory. Okay, about that.